How to update your vehicle insurance in Uber Driver app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can update your vehicle insurance in Uber Driver app. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to update your vehicle insurance. So let's just go ahead. So if you want to update your vehicle insurance in Uber Driver app, first thing is heading over to app itself. You can just go ahead and download the app and log in. Once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface. So at the top left corner, you can find 3 horizontal lines. All you need to do is just go ahead and tap on it, and then this menu opens up. So from this menu, go ahead and locate this option called Account. After that, you will be taken to the space. So from this page, you need to select this option called Documents. You can just go ahead and tap on it in order to update your vehicle insurance in Uber Driver app. Just go ahead and do that. After that, take a photo, update your vehicle insurance using the application. Tap on this take photo and it will give you options that allows you to update it. Just go ahead and follow the screen instructions, and once that is done, it will be completed and your vehicle insurance will be updated in the app. So that is how you update your vehicle insurance in Uber app. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.